Hey, it's Vic, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you the brand new La La Land Crafts Easter release. So to start with, I have the double stitched eggs die. So as you can see, you get 3 dies in this package and they are so fun to add to your cards. Now this large die, you can use the middle die and die cut both and turn it into a lovely shaker. And then also for the large stitch die, I've used that for the second die that I'm going to be showing you. And this is my favourite, it's called Build a Bunny. So you need that large egg to complete the bunny, and I will show you what that looks like. You can see here, it's just so cute. I've then used that middle egg die to go onto the bunny's body, so the brown part is the middle egg die, and then he's holding a carrot, which I'll show you in a minute. But here's another way of doing the bunnies. I love these were so fun to put together, and I've just used my Copic markers for the second bunny just to colour it in. And these are pretty easy to put together too, so don't feel intimidated when you see the dies. But there's that carrot, so that for the first bunny I coloured the carrot in, and then I just used my scissors to make it look like he's been nibbling on the carrot. But again, this is such a fun die, it'd be so cute to add to your Easter cards. And now next I'm going to be showing you the Easter eggs die. So you get 3 Easter eggs in this die, and I love this one. And that little bunny, I've actually used that on my cards by itself. So there's so many different ways to use these. So I actually done some inlay die cutting for one of the projects I'm going to show you at the end of this video. And then I've done it here. But with that first piece where I've poked the pieces through, I've then used the gold piece on a different egg, or you can just keep the pieces together. They look so pretty. So for the next die I'm going to be showing you, it's the barn die, and oh, I love this die. I've had so much fun with this. So I've kept all the pieces together for this, but the barn door, you will need to die cut that twice if you decide to keep the barn doors on the die. But I'm just going to show you how I made my barns, and I love these. So here's one of the barns that I've done, and the white doors, they're the pieces that you need to cut twice, or you can stick them on the edge of the side of the barn door to make it look like the barn's open. They've been so fun to use. And now next I'm going on to the truck die. Again, I love this die. So you've got all the pieces that you need, and then also I have a couple of spare bits, so you do need to separate this die before running it through your die cutting machine. And this is such a fun die to use. I find it so handy, and this has been released in one of the past La La Land club kits. So I was so excited when Irina released it into the La La Land Crafts release, because it is again one of my favourites. This whole kit, everything in it, I've absolutely loved. So now I'm moving on to the Happy Easter die. Now this die is super pretty. I love the font, and again I will show you how this die cuts out. It's been absolutely beautiful, and I made a tag, but I'm going to be going through that at the end of the video. But I'm just going to quickly show you how that cuts out so you can see how pretty that font is. And now we have Farmer Marcy. How adorable is she? She's so cute. So she comes with 2 sentiments: life is better on the farm and farm fresh, grown with love. So this is her all coloured in. And I love that sentiment, farm fresh, grown with love. I think it'd be really sweet to add to something that you've baked. Yeah, it's just such a sweet stamp set. So this is the second stamp set called Oh Crop, and I love this one. How sweet are those bunnies? Now I know again this was released in a past club kit, but they didn't have the bunny holding the Easter egg. And there's definitely a couple more extra sentiments to do with Easter which wasn't in the kit. So I've had so much fun colouring in these bunnies. So here is my tag. So I've used the Happy Easter die, the Oh Crop. There you can see the little grey bunny that's from the Easter eggs die. and then I've used them small double stitched Easter egg dies just to add to my card, and I've also inlaid some of the pieces into the bigger eggs. So that is my Happy Easter tag, and I loved how this turned out. They've been so fun to colour, and just I cannot wait to give this to somebody at Easter. And then for my second project, I've got a Happy Spring card. So this is using the O Crop stamp set, and there you can see them adorable bunnies, and there's the barn with, I've had the doors open on that, and I've got the barn truck too, so I thought it'd be fun to add some of the carrots into the truck. And then I've added some flowers that are also included in the stamp set. So that is the Easter release, and I will leave everything linked down below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.